Hey Rita, good morning. Can you please give me an update on 0602 release? Yes, ma'am, all good. No worries. Lisa, what's going on with you? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have been working on it. So, Monica, how about you? Yes, ma'am. I have been working on the 0602 roadmap presentation. I'm halfway through. I'm waiting for some inputs from Matt on the next quarter's sales target and the last quarter's win-loss analysis. I'm hoping to finish the deck by end of today and send it to you for review. You too should learn how to give status update like Monica. You should always start with the context or the background, then talk about your progress and outline the next steps so that it's easier for the other person to know what exactly you are working on, where you are, and what are your next steps so that they can guide you, help you if they feel there is a need to. Communication is crucial for your professional success. And if you like to learn more tips like this, follow this channel and stay tuned for more videos.